Wish that you could build a time machine so you could see the things no one can see. Feels like you're standing on the edge, looking at the stars and wishing you were there. What do you do when the chapter ends? Do you close the book?